Go ahead and pop the bottle. Here.
I'll pop it. I shoot it off the fan.
Pop the bottle there.
Shoot it into the balloon.
I don't know.
Shoot it in. We going again? We going again. All right. This is round 2.
You're drunk right now. That's why we want to open it.
All right. Look. This is round 2. I don't.
Let's do it. He said that.
Get your watch up. Get your watch game up. Listen, get your watch game up. Alright? There's a chain right here. And what you do? Flip it. Hold on. Get your watch. Listen, get your chain. Get your watch game up. Alright? And what I'm eating right here is steak and shrimp. So what you do? You stick the fork in it, right? And you work it. Put that work in, right? That's the reward. Hot almighty damn. Alright? Oh, that was nasty. You put some shrimp up. You put that shrimp right up there, and then you put that shrimp back up in there. Hot almighty damn. That's what I'm telling you. No game. I'm not playing about this steak. I'm not playing about this steak and this shrimp right now. When I'm done, I'm gonna jump back up on that Belvedere. You got me? You got me on the camera? You got me good? Alright. Look at this right. Look at this piece right here. Look at this piece right here. That's steak and that was steak and shrimp on it right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn that over, right? I'm gonna put that work in.
Can we go get you for eating all that? You can give us some.
I'm gonna put that work too late for her. I'm gonna put that work in, right? Hold on. What more can I say than hot almighty damn? Because it's real life. It's real life. So I'm gonna put that work in. That's the reward. When you put work in life, the reward is steak and shrimp. I earned this. All them days of transport. Puts this down. You know, it's what you got to do. It's what you got to do. Where's the absolute? What you got? What's the absolute over there? Is that it right there? Hold up. I don't mind a damn blood clot. That's the absolute. That Haitian woman put some goddamn voodoo on this shit. Voodoo! I'm on fire.
Hey, we're hungry. We can say what to eat while we're waiting for something, right?
No, you don't have.